The thought of living on a farm started more than a decade ago for us. Namaskaram, welcome to Natural Supers. This is episode 1 of our farm journey. Ours was an arranged marriage, and in those initial years, we spent hours talking, discovering each other through the stories of our past. Among all the stories we shared, the most cherished were from the childhood summers, the time when we went to our grandparents' homes in the village. The freedom that we got to explore things that we like, be however we wanted to be, the time that we spent with our cousins, the laughter. Basically, life was simple, life was beautiful. So, the more we shared, we realized something special, that we both like that life, the calm, the peaceful, and more meaningful village life. Over the years, this thought of village life used to come up in our conversations, and we used to enjoy talking about it, imagining the simplicity, the peace, and the freedom. So one day, as we were talking, Gopi looked at me and said, how about we move back to India, find a village, live on a farm, build a community? And I listened. Everything he said felt beautiful and even right. But in my heart, I didn't know how we can make this possible because of two big reasons. The first one is that both of our parents long back moved out of the village and are settled in cities. So we basically don't have a village to which we are connected with or have a bond with. And the second one is I was looking at what my peers were doing. So everybody seemed chasing the city life. So people were moving from village to a city to a bigger city or abroad. But nobody was moving back or not even thinking to live a life abroad for a village. So this idea of living on a farm in a village simply felt next to impossible, as we were thinking in reverse. On top of everything, life was already moving fast. We were focused on building our career, planning for a family, buying a home, and trying to settle down. And to this, in the background, there was always this drama of the visa, the green card, the paperwork, and the waiting. So, all of this consumed all our energy, both mentally and emotionally. So, 1 year became two, two became five, and before we knew it, we were close to almost a decade. Caught in the race, our farm dream slowly started to fade into the background. We didn't forget it, but it just kept slipping further down our list of priorities. Somewhere inside, we had the longing for a simpler life, but it's just that our life kept demanding more of us. In 2015, we moved to Atlanta, and that became the turning point in our lives. What we did next has changed everything from then. I will be continuing to share our story in the next episode. Namaskaram.